So this video will be talking about Premium Mini. Premium Mini, as the name suggests, right, is the mini version of our Premium Pro. The size is smaller, so the length is only 105 cm. However, it is still able to extend, on the both sides up to 1.8 meter. The width will be the same as Premium Pro, which is 56 cm. For the features, it comes with dual fans, dual heaters, and UV disinfection. So the fan and heaters also come with 2 hours timer. It will automatically off after 2 hours. That's one cycle. We also designed it to be electric saving. On average, about 3 to 4 times a week of usage is about $5 to $7 a month. So how do you hang your clothes? One side you have 10 holes, both sides a total of 20 holes. You can put your dedicated hangers over here. What about bedsheet and blankets? So the 2 poles on top is dedicated for the blanket. You can bring it down like this. So at one time you can hang 2 blankets. So even though Premium Mini is smaller than Premium Pro, it's still able to hold up to 40 kg. That's about 2 to 3 loads of your washing machine. In conclusion, I would say Premium Mini is really suitable for homes with limited space. Here we come to our warranty coverage. Our racks are using German motor, and we can provide you 5 years motor warranty, 2 years parts warranty. Still not sure which model to choose? Please contact us to find out more.